Hi, I'm the Royal Bengal Tiger of the Sundarbans.
Welcome to my jungle vlog. This forest is my home.
Mangroves, rivers, and mud everywhere.
Morning light wakes the Sundarbans.
I start my day like a true jungle king.
Strength is everything here.
Time to check my territory. Mangrove paths are never easy.
This land belongs to me.
Every move matters.
Nature decides.
I'm a swimmer. I'm a strong swimmer. That's large. Yeah. I leave my.
Now, hunting time.
This is how I survive. The jungle follows its own rules.
Listen, Gary. This body is built for survival. After the hunt, I relax. Even kings need rest.
The jungle is fully awake now. Now I rest.
This is my daily life.
Even kings need rest. Peace feels good.
Sometimes I see humans.
They watch from far.
Respect keeps us safe. Coexistence matters. Evening changes the jungle.
Night is coming.
Night belongs to me. I rule the shadows.
Please protect forests like mine.
This jungle is life.
Protect nature.
Protect the future. Thanks for watching.
This was my day.
Royal Bengal Tiger, signing off.